So what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to jumpstart a dead battery that won't charge. So this battery has been sitting around for quite some time, and it drained down to a level that it won't be able to charge. So let's measure the voltage on this one. So if you measure the voltage, it's showing that 0 voltage. It means that the battery was completely drained. So it's been sitting there for quite a while. So basically what we need to do is, so let's plug into the battery charger. Just drained by itself. So as you can see, if we put on the battery charger, it won't charge. It won't even recognize it, because there's a chip in here in the battery, and it requires a bit of power for to power it up, and the battery charger just gonna recognize it. So basically, when we have two leads here, one is positive, one is negative, and the way we jump it is we put the negative lead into the negative terminal, and the positive lead into the positive terminal. Oops. Okay, so the battery is charging directly from the power supply, and it's taking in 0.4 amp of current. So we just let it sit here for about 30 seconds to a minute. So just give the battery a little bit juice to power up the memory chip inside the battery. So this way, this is the way we jump start the battery from dead. Now some batteries that you can't jump start it because it's completely dead. Probably the actually the cell pack is either worn out or defective. But this case is a new battery. It's just that it's completely drained. That's all. So about 30 seconds. A bit more. So basically, the point is we give the battery just a little bit juice, enough juice that it'll jumpstart the charging process. Okay, that should be good. Now let's plug back into the battery charger, and it should recognize it. See now? So as you can see, let me get closer up. So as you can see, it recognizes the battery. So it's charging at 1.4 amps. Before it wasn't. So okay, guys, that's how you jump start the battery. And this battery is charging at 1.4 amps. Again, enjoy this video. Hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.